Well, hello there, and today we will be talking about HoverNotes AI. This is a Google extension that will automatically take notes for you. Pretty simple, right? So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the home page. If it looks like any other home page, then that's not the website. So go ahead and click it, and it'll take you to your web store. Now I am using Explorer, as you can see. So let's wait for it to download. Now it's going to ask you to sign in once it installs. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Now I do have one, so I will go ahead and sign into my account. Once you're all signed in, it takes you to this page. On the left, you can see there's a Discord, Obsidian, local video. We'll explain it a little bit more. Right here in the middle, you can take local videos from your computer and you can use it on YouTube and whatever other stuff. Now, right here, you can insert a local video with the extension files at the bottom you can see. Or you can go to YouTube, which is what I'm going to do. Now, as YouTube opened up, remember, you can use this on any video, any meeting, and stuff like that. But we're going to use YouTube as an example. So let's open up a random video that I had before previously.
Damn near wizard level
And this was a
observer.
TED Talk.
So I got to work.
Pretty famous. And as you can see in the top left corner, HoverNotes is in the video. Click video note and it will open up and it will ask you to link to a folder. I already have this linked, so boom. Now you can type in a title, whatever you might want it to be. And I will show you now, this is how you will take AI notes. So let me set it back to 1. And in the bottom, as you can see, you can click AI notes. It'll ask you to right click. So go ahead and right click on the video or on the blue big button right there. If you right click, it'll ask you to enable it and boom. Now it should be taking notes as the video is going. It'll listen to the video, it'll watch the video, it'll do both. And it will automatically save to this folder that I have right here. As you can see,
I practice something that I call
now you can take screenshots as well, as you can see right here. And you can add timestamps right here. You can also click to take another screenshot, however you want it. And you scream, there you go, and boom. Resize it to how you want it to be. Now let's X those out. As you can see, HoverNotes said it was watching the video and now it's making the notes after a certain countdown. You can also, before, you can change the language too. While you're waiting for the notes, during the notes, it has many languages. And as you see, it just populated notes right there. Quick and easy. It watches it for you. So technically, you do not need to watch the video yourself. So let's stop the AI notes. That's how you take notes with HoverNotes AI. Pretty simple. And that's going to be easy. The easy part. Now, here's a few more things. You can export it as these files right here. PDF, Markdown, Word, whatever you need it to be in those 4. You can create a new note with a different title, and it will still save to the folder you want. So this is the basis of HoverNotes AI. It will watch a video for you and take notes for you, meaning you don't need to watch the video yourself. You could technically just leave it running in the background, and you're done. So this is basically what HoverNotes does. Now in the next video, we'll talk about a few features that can actually improve your time with HoverNotes. So stay tuned for some more. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the content, and comment down below.